OnlyFans is built for privacy, but everyone leaves a digital footprint. If you need to find a profile without a username, you have to look for the clues they left behind. Here are the 3 fastest ways to find an account in 2026. Method 1. Search for mentions. Even without a direct link, creators often discuss their pages. Go to Instagram or Reddit and search for their name plus OnlyFans. Reddit is the biggest hub for this. Look for mentions in subreddits or shared links. OnlyFans lookups often uncover tags or discussions that point right back to their account. Method 2. Use Google's hidden commands. Type site followed by their name in quotes. This forces Google to show you only results from inside OnlyFans. Using quotation marks forces an exact match. This is the best way to catch scammers using fake profiles, or to verify if someone you know is using their real name on the site. If those manual steps don't get you there, you can use a lookup tool like Social Catfish. They aggregate billions of records like hidden emails or photos to find connections that aren't public. For the full guide, check the link in the description. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.